is a, I don't know, I think this is a Harbor Breeze 42-inch hugger that I got a long time ago. And it's installed in one of these bedrooms here, my grandparents. Start off on low. I'll go to medium. High. And off. I was thinking about a couple years or so this would be replaced. Probably like an 1895 or some sort of spinner. I don't know. Won't be for a couple years though. Yeah, this fan for about, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, no, 6 or 7, 8 years or something like that. I don't know. But that's it, and until next time.